This summer I was focusing on a research project on a mutation within a gene that is suspected to help with the development of heart disease.
So basically, we study the localization of a type of protein in a parasite in order to gain more insight of a type of human disease called human celiac disease.
This experience gave me a lot of background knowledge into being a scientist. I ended up learning a lot more about interpersonal skills in the lab that I never thought I would. And having a dry lab background, I ended up doing a little bit more of the wet lab experience. And then also I ended up making new connections with new people in these labs.
I definitely learned a lot of experimental techniques and learned how to be a better researcher. We made a lot of friends and we kind of just explored Singapore and went out for food.
Being someone that is born and raised in Toronto, this experience was really important for me to kind of grow as a person as well. I got to travel to a different country and live by myself for this entire summer.
The feeling of having all of my U of T friends is gives me a feeling of belonging, and also just makes me feel really warm when we get together, because we come from the same background and we all like life science.
So if you're considering doing a research course abroad,
Then do it.
because we had such a memorable experience and it was so valuable for us as science students to have this experience and to have this research.
Yeah, especially if you want to do research in the future, then you should definitely consider this course.
And on top of that, you get a global experience as well, so that kind of makes you look a little bit more well-rounded.
Yeah, exploring out of Canada and exploring out of U of T